What's up, guys, and welcome back. If you are tired of sitting all day and want to upgrade your home office with something that fits perfectly into the corner of your room, you are in the right place. Today on Cool Product, we are searching for the best electric standing desk to elevate your daily workflow. Let's get started. Meet the Agilistic Electric Standing Desk. This is a fantastic choice for anyone wanting to create a modern, healthy, and highly functional workspace. Let us start by looking at its overall design and shape because this is where the Agilistic desk truly shines. It features a brilliant L-shaped configuration that is perfectly suited for corner placement. Instead of having a bulky square desk taking up the entire middle of your room, this design tucks away nicely. By fitting seamlessly into a corner, it maximizes your room efficiency to give you back more floor space. You get a massive amount of working area without making your space feel cramped, which is a huge bonus for smaller offices. Speaking of space, the generous desktop is a major highlight. The desk measures 55 inches in length, while the width varies between 24 to 31.5 inches. This provides ample space for multiple monitors, laptops, keyboards, office supplies, and any other essentials you need. Whether you are running a fast-paced business from home, setting up a quiet academic study area, or building an extensive creative setup with a drawing tablet, the Agilistic desk gives you the real estate to lay everything out perfectly. You will never feel like your expensive gear is balancing on the edge or falling off the sides of the table. Now, the main reason you want a standing desk is for the health benefits, and Agilistic delivers beautifully. This desk features a fantastic adjustable height range that goes from 28 inches up to 45 inches. This ensures that whether you are tall or short, you can find the perfect typing height. The Agilistic electric standing desk is powered by a wonderfully quiet electric motor operating below 55 decibels. That is a huge deal. 55 decibels is roughly the sound of a quiet conversation. It means you can adjust your desk height during a phone call or late at night without distracting your coworkers or waking your family. To make your daily routine even easier, the Agilistic desk comes with a smart controller featuring 2 memory buttons. These programmable buttons allow you to save your absolute preferred heights for both sitting and standing positions. With just a single push of a button, the desk automatically moves to your perfectly saved position, ensuring seamless and rapid transitions between sitting and standing. By actively using these standing features, you are treating your body right. The ergonomic design helps reduce the fatigue that comes from prolonged sitting. By mixing in some standing time, you are promoting better posture and improving your overall well-being. Of course, a standing desk needs to be strong to hold your equipment securely. This desk is built with an agile and incredibly stable lift system that you can truly trust. It incorporates a heavy-duty steel frame capable of supporting up to 154 pounds. That means you can safely load it up with computers and books without worrying about the desk wobbling. Durability is another extremely strong point for the Agilistic brand. The electric motor has been rigorously tested over 50,000 cycles to ensure quality. You are getting a highly reliable performance that you can confidently count on for many years to come. Safety is just as important as stability, and this desk brings a fantastic protective feature to the table. It is equipped with highly responsive anti-collision technology. The moment the desk detects an unexpected obstacle while lowering, it automatically stops and reverses movement by 1 inch. This prevents accidental damage to your surrounding furniture and keeps your belongings completely safe. Finally, Agilistic emphasizes ease of setup. They provide comprehensive installation instructions in the box, along with an online video guide. Their technical support team is ready to provide assistance and responds to inquiries within 24 hours, guaranteeing a smooth experience. Combining functionality, ergonomics, and intelligent technology, this electric standing desk offers a modern solution for a productive workspace. Are you ready to stop slouching and start working with better energy? Check the price link in the description to learn more about getting this awesome desk for your home. Please make sure to like and subscribe to Cool Product so you never miss our future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.